Hi everyone, welcome to JPS channel. Today we learn about force and pressure. In class 7 you have learned how objects move. Let's recall, what do you do to make a football move? What do you do to make a moving ball move faster? How does a goalkeeper stops a ball? You can see that in all these situations the ball is either made to move faster or slower, or its direction of motion is changed. We often say that a force has been applied on the ball for throwing, pushing and etc. So, what is force? What can it do to bodies? Do you notice that each of these actions is a push or pull or both? Do you notice that each of these actions is a push or pull or both? Yes, in science, a push or a pull on an object is called force. Okay? For example, let's somebody gives you a punch. What you let be? You let be a force. Yes, that will be a force. Like here, you can see the boy has pushed somebody. Is there any force? Yes, there is a force. Like when we are pulling something to move it, that is also be a force. Now tell me, when we are picking up a bottle, there are no pushing or pulling. Is there any force? Yes. When you are picking up a bottle, you are actually pulling it from the ground. So that are also push or pull. Let's move forward. So we can say that force are due to an interaction. For example, suppose a man is standing behind a stationary car. Will the car move? No. When the man begins to push the car, then the car may begin to move. So, we can see that the man has applied force to make move the car. Here, you can see that the two girls appear to push each other, while the other pair of girls are trying to pull each other. Similarly, here the cow and the man appear to pull each other. From these examples, we can conclude that at least two objects must be interact for a force. Let's try to learn more about force. The force get added up when the force are applied in the same direction. For example, when you are pushing a big box, then your friend also comes and he also tries to help you in the same direction. Do you think you will be easily able to move the box from one place to another? because both of you are acting in the same direction. Clear? Now, in the next case, the force get reduced when the force are applied in the opposite direction. Here in this example, a game of tug of war. Here two teams pull at a rope in the opposite direction. Now let's understand what can a force do. Of course, first a force can move an object from rest. Let's say that there is a big box which are in rest and I have to move it. So what will I do? Yes, I do either push it or pull it. So we can move an object from rest by applying force. Okay? The second point is we can change the direction of an object by applying force. For example, when a batsman is batting, what has he do? Yes, he changed the direction of the ball. Now, talking about the third point, a force brings the object to rest. You can see when a goalkeeper catches the ball in a football match, what does it do? It stops this. The football was moving, but the goalkeeper has applied some force and the ball has come to a rest. Okay? The next point is a force can be a decrease or an increase the speed of an object because of application of force. The sixth point is the force changes the shape of an object. For example, when somebody is making roti, they are applying some force and can change the shape of the objects. So that's all for today. Thank you.